fishing, but it's so cold and windy. You can hardly see. Let me see. It's too much waves. Current is so strong. Hardly anybody fishing right now. So cloudy. It looks like a storm is coming. But we're gonna stay here for a little bit. So see ya. It's a little bit beautiful. Just people walking and see what they have. Only very few people. A little bit. It's really cold. Got my ball right here. And that's what it is. I hope I get something.